Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you halation effect cinematic CapCut tutorial. So all you have to do is open your projects. This is, for example, you can take from library for practice, and you can use the effect one, video effect. You can tap it and try to search the lens here. You can choose soft here, tap it, check, and make sure the effect cover the whole video until the end, and then add filter, sorry, this effect, and then back you can add filters. You can search a clear 2, this one. You can adjust according to your preference. Then you can adjust your video. If you want to like a vintage, you can increase the temperature here. Then export it. Sorry, let's get back. Before you export it, make sure the frame rate is 60. You have to smoother playback. Then if ready, you can export. So the video ready. This is the halation effect. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.